Biology. Now today we are going to the part number 17 of the biological classification. We have previously studied about the reproduction in the bacteria. What are the comparison between bacteria and cyanobacteria, eh, and cyanobacteria with the comparison between cyanobacteria and the rhodophyceae, cyanophyceae. Okay, what are the main economic importance are already studied there. Now today have a coming on new topics like the cell structure of the cyanobacteria. What is the structure of the cyanobacterian cells? Let's see. In which mainly found that the main characteristic is the photosynthetic lamellae. It's a very important characteristics. Photosynthetic lamellae. That that is that is that's all are the photosynthetic lamellae are surrounding to the nuclear material, enclosed to the nuclear material. This photosynthetic lamellae are made up of the thylakoids. Okay, thylakoids, and on the upper surface of the photosynthetic lamellae, where from on the upper surface of the photosynthetic lamellae have a structure, have a structure, have a granule-like structure known as the phycobilisome or the cyanosomes. That are the two major characteristics, two major component of this cell. And further, we study about the cell wall. In the cyanobacterian cell wall is made up of the four layer, four layer L1, L2, L3 and L4 means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this four layer means the cell wall differentiated into the four layer. L1 is the near to the plasma membrane, and L4 is the outer to the gelatinous coat. Gelatinous coat. We already studied about that. Okay. Now next, here sheet hygroscopic mucilaginous sheet, thickness, and have the pectic substance. Pectic substance make it hard, make it hard to cell wall. There is the multi-layer presence between sheet and plasma membrane. That's a multi-layer. Cell wall is the multi-layer. Here that is that part. Multi-layer. Multi-layer means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Presence between plasma membrane and sheet. The sheet and that is the plasma membrane. In between have the cell wall. Consist of the four layer L1, L2, L3 and L4, like that, made up of the mucopeptide. Cell wall of the cyanobacterium is made up of mucopeptide, means murine or muramic acid, glucosamine, alanine, glutamine or amino acid, and diamino palmic acid, or all are ingredient of the cell wall. All are composed together to form the cell wall. Okay, here cell wall like that. The cell wall outer part is the sheet, means a hygroscopic mucilaginous sheet, gelatinous sheet, in which in the lower part have the cell wall divided into the two parts, plastic layer and second is the murine. Upper upper three layer that toward the sheet or gelatinous layer is known as the plastic layer, is the hardest layer, and middle and lower of and the near to the cell membrane, near to the cell membrane of the cell wall layer. Means layer first is the made up of the urine, means the uh, loosely or as compared to the plastic layer, as compared to the L2, L3 and L4. Okay, means that this layer is a hard layer and is one layer is the smooth layer. So क्लियर है, समझ में आया ना? ऊपर वाली 3 लेयर हार्ड है और नीचे वाली आपके 1 लेयर थोड़ी सॉफ्ट है जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन की तरफ होती है। और ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर ये एग्जैक्टली कैसा है बताओ आपको मैं, इस तरह से ये सेल, इस सेल का आपके वॉल है ना, ये पूरा सेल, सेल का ये आउटर पार्ट और ये सेल का इनर पार्ट, ये हो गया सभी के। गुड, नेक्स्ट आगे देखते हैं प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन 70 एंगस्ट्रॉम थिक, देखा सबसे इनर साइड में, सिलेक्टिवली परमिएबल मींस दिस मेम्ब्रेन आर परमिट, हाँ ये मेम्ब्रेन आपको परमिशन देगी किसको अंदर आना है, कौन बाहर जाएगा, एंड मेंटेन द फिजियोलॉजिकल इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ द सेल, invaginate and fuse with the photosynthetic lamellae. This plasma membrane fuse with the photosynthetic lamellae and form the lamellosome. And form the lamellosome. I, I have already told you that sir, that like structure in the on the lamellosome. Next, cytoplasma, that's a two region. Cytoplasma have the two region. First, outer peripheral region called the chromoplasma and central colorless region called the centroplasma. Let's see chromoplasma. First is a chromoplasma. What says? Contain the photosynthetic lamellae and thylakoid. Means that structure is the this cell is a thylakoid and this is the nucleus part, the central part, that's the central colorless part, and its peripheral having the we already having the this type of the circular in shape like that multiple lamellar structure is called the photosynthetic lamellae or thylakoids. That part, that part is the peripheral part. That is the peripheral part is the chromoplasm. Thylakoid may be peripheral, like see parallel, central. Okay, pigment. You know which pigment have of the uh, thylakoid or the lamellae, like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, xanthophylls and carotenoids. All are pigment present in the lamellae or the photosynthetic lamellae and circular lamellae. Next, on its upper surface of, and on its upper surface like that here, on its upper surface of the lamellae have a rounded granular part is called the bilirubin, is called the bilirubin, is called the bili, sorry, bilisomes. Clear? Next, the centrosomes. Second part is centrosome. Central part, colorless material and primitive nucleus and devoid of the bilayered nuclear membrane and nucleus, okay, nucleus, sorry, are all are present in cytoplasm. Which type of cytoplasmic inclusion presence here? Glycogen granules, oil droplet. So which type of oil droplet or glycogen granule, like the synophysian? Where is the synophysian? Uh, how to form synophysian? Build with the equal molecule of arginine and aspartic acid. When that arginine and aspartic acid is formed, are formed synophysian. Gas vacuoles, hollow, rigid, and elongated cylinder structure. Gas vacuole is the hollow, rigid, and elongated cylinder impermeable to the water. This gas vacuole impermeable to water, but freely permeable to gas means that गैस के लिए permeable sorry गैस के लिए permeable है गैस इन आ सकती है आउट भी जा सकती है like that गैस अगर बाहर आना चाहे अंदर आना चाहे that's permeable for the gases अगर बात करें वाटर बाहर आना चाहे वाटर अनपरमिएबल नहीं आने देगी और ये वहाँ पे आने देगी तो कहेंगे ये आपके वाटर के लिए अनपरमिएबल की शो कर रहा है फंक्शन ऑफ द गैस वैक्यूल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मेंटेन द बाउंसी है ना किसी के अंदर गैस भर जाती है तो पानी पे तैरता है दैट्स बाउंसी the function of the gas vacuole is to maintain bouncy so get sufficient light oxygen and nutrient for the formation of the food for the perform of the photosynthetic reaction. Floating and sinking phenomena is the key feature found in the free floating cyanobacteria. So we can say that we can told here कि cyanobacteria are floating on the surface of the water because of that having the gas vacuole. Why gas vacuole have the gaseous element that's produced and that's linked to the make a bouncy force. Okay. Next, carboxysomes. That's a type of the inclusions bodies. Carboxysomes are the polyhedral bodies containing the Rubisco. You know that this is our channel name. That's here from I selected this name Rubisco. Okay. 1,5-ribulase bisphosphate carboxylase Rubisco. Okay. Phosphate bodies, volatile granules of the bacteria. Okay. That's all are the inclusion bodies are present in the cyanobacterium. Phycobilisomes. What is the mean the phototropic organism like that the cyanobacterium and red algae contain two accessory pigment. Cyanobacterium and red algae have two accessory pigment like that carotenoids and phycobilins, also known as the phycobiliprotein. Okay, phycobiliprotein as a pigment, but we as a we study as a inclusion bodies. Carotenoids play role in the photoprotective. Okay, and phycobilin is the light harvesting pigment. Is the light harvesting pigment means sunlight absorbed by this pigment to the phycobilins or phycobiliproteins. Phycobiliprotein when phycobiliprotein aggregate that's a effect. Phycobiliprotein phycobiliprotein get aggregate to form a molecular weight high to form a high molecular weight darkly stand ball like structure called the phycobilisome called the phycobilisome. Clear that's are completed here the inclusion bodies of the cyanobacterials. होप सो सबके क्लियर हो चुका होगा ओके कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें ओके बाय टेक केयर